Hey guys, Math Girl Lynn here. I hope you're all having a great day. Today, I would like to show you how to check if a number can be divided by, or we can also say if a number is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'll be focusing on 4, 6, 7, and 8. Because I am pretty sure all of you know how to check if a number is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. However, I will do a quick run through on these as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Well, I think that 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. But what is the quickest way to check if this is true? First, let's eliminate the obvious, which are 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Then I will show you how to check if a number is a multiple of or divisible by 4, 6, 7, and 8. 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 is divisible by 1. Because all numbers are divisible by 1, we know a number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is an even number, and 0 is an even number, so this number is definitely divisible by 2. Is 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 divisible by 3? Well, I know that if the digit sum is a multiple of 3, then the whole number is a multiple of 3. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 19 plus 8 is 27, and 27 plus 0 is 27. We know that 27 is a multiple of 3, which means the whole number is divisible by 3. The divisibility rule for 5 is that if a number ends with, or we can also say if the unit digit of a number is 5 or 0, then the whole number is divisible by 5. 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 ends in 0, so this is definitely divisible by 5. The divisibility rule for 9 is pretty straightforward. If the single digit sum of the number is 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Simple. From the divisibility rule for 3, we know that the sum of 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 is 27. To get the single digit sum, we add the digits until you are left with one digit. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. So the number is definitely divisible by 9. Finally, 10. If the unit digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Can't get easier than that. So far, we have checked and confirmed that 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 10. Now let's see if it is divisible by 4, 6, 7, and 8. To find out if a number is divisible by 4, all you have to do is look at the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, or we can also say if the last two digits are a multiple of 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. The last two digits is 80. 80 is definitely divisible by 4. 80 divided by 4 is 20, or we can say 20 times 4 equals 80. You see, it does not matter what the numbers are, so long as the last two digits are a multiple of 4. So we can say that 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 1, 6 is a multiple of 4 because the last two digits is 16, which is a multiple of 4. If you look at 3, 5, 7, 1, 6, 2, 1, here the last two digits are 21, and we know that 21 is not a multiple of 4. Moving on. Next, we look at 6. The trick for 6 is also extremely easy. In fact, you already know that 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0 is divisible by 6. How? Well, the divisibility rule states that if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. We already know that this number is divisible by 2 and 3. We checked it a few minutes ago. Even if you didn't know, we can check it right now in a second. The unit digit is a 0, which means that the number is an even number, and all even numbers can be divided by 2. If the digit sum of the number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. We know that the digit sum of 362880 is 27, and 27 is definitely divisible by 3. Since 362880 is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. That's very easy, right? Checking the divisibility rule of 7 is a little tricky at first, but with practice, hopefully you should be able to do it quicker. Step 1. Take the unit digit and double it. In this case, the unit digit is 0. Double of 0 will be 0. Step 2. Deduct the answer from the rest of the number. The answer I got was 0, so I deduct 0 from 36288. 36288 minus 0 will be 36288. Step 3. From the answer, I repeat step 1 and 2 until you obtain a 2-digit or single-digit answer. If the final answer you obtain is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. I know it sounds a little tricky. Let's work it out for this number, and then I will do one more sum just to make sure you've understood it. Right, so now the answer we have is 36288. We start again from step 1, which is double the unit digit. 8 plus 8 is 16. Step 2 is to deduct 16 from the rest of the numbers. So 3628 minus 16 is 3612. Once again, we repeat the steps. We double the unit digit. In this case, it is 2. Of 2 is 4. Step 2. Deduct the 4 from the rest of the numbers. So, 361 minus 4 equals 357. Now we are down to 3 digits. I think if we repeat the steps once more, we will be able to see if 362880 is divisible by 7 or not. Once again, double the unit digit. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, deduct the 14 from the remaining numbers. 35 minus 14 equals 21, and we know 21 is divisible by 7. I know this seemed like a long process. Let me do one more example, and I will try to do the calculations mentally so you can see how fast it can be done. Is 24192 a multiple of 7? Right, let's find out. First, we double the unit digit and you get 4. Deduct the 4 from the remaining numbers. 2419 minus 4 is 2415. We double the unit digit, 5, and we get 10. Now we deduct the 10 from the remaining numbers. 241 minus 10 is 231. And once more, we take the unit digit and double it. You get 2. Deduct the 2 from the remaining number. 23 minus 2 equals 21. And we know 21 is a multiple of 7. That's it. Wasn't that quick? Within a couple of seconds, we were able to identify if a 5-digit number is divisible by 7. Finally, we look at 8. Don't worry, it's nothing like 7. The rule is very simple. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. That's it. I know it's a little hard to divide 3-digit numbers by 8, but it is still easier than dividing a 5, 6, or 7-digit by 8, right? So the last 3 digits are 880. 880 is divisible by 8. You get an answer of 110, which means this number is divisible by 8. Wasn't that easy? I was right. 362,880 can be divided by numbers from 1 to 10. Yay! Before I sign off, next up are 4 questions and answers. Pause the video and answer them as quickly as you can. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, bye!